everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sarah's View. Today, we're gonna see the book talk about Nancy Drew and the Clue Crew, Book 2. Who can read this book? If you like detective series and stories, this will be the right book for you. Nancy Drew and the Clue Crew solve mysteries! This story begins when Nancy Drew and the Clue Crew wanted to enter this amazing, marvelous ice cream contest. So if they win, they get to eat ice cream and visit this amazing shop that's going to open once a month. So their flavor is basically blueberry. So it's basically vanilla with blueberries, and in the end there's going to be a strawberry surprise. But as they were taught, one of their friends invented a marvelous flavor. It had 4 amazing and very tasty chocolates. So as you put it inside, pop, 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 the floor chocolates popped inside your mouth and it will taste extremely good. Once their friend told them the secret, Deary, who had a very kind of like, Snoopy website, and they sometimes think she's spoiled because she gets whatever she wants. So she once heard, secret, please tell me, please, to their friend. And then their friend said, fine, if you promise you won't put it in your website. But then suddenly, after Deary did it, the next morning, Deary put in her website that the friend who invented the amazing flavor was the winning flavor. So when they were entering in the contest, suddenly Kendra said, my recipe, it's missing! Then the Clue Crew were onto the case. So this is how they solved it. This is what they found out. After they lined up their suspects, found their clues, and this what happened. Once Joy's mother showed them the menu, that Mayor Strong had their amazing ice cream recipe on their menu. So once they went to the Mayor Strong's house, they said that Mr. Dippy, the old ice cream, the shop person, was selling those amazing chocolate ice cream to the Mayor Strong. So once they went there, they found that Mr. Dippy's son was skateboarding. So they asked Mr. Dippy's son. And Mr. Dippy's son said, oh, I found an amazing recipe on the floor. I gave it to my dad and he delivered it to Mayor Strong. And then they said to their friend, hey, can you check your backpack? There must be a hole. And then there was. That's how the recipe fell in the floor, and Mr. Dippy's son found it and gave it to Mr. Dippy. So once Mr. Dippy's son told Mr. Dippy named it after the girl who invented that amazing flavor. In the end, who was the winner? Well, it was not Kendra. It was someone who you'll find out in the book by yourself. Of this book. Always check your equipment very carefully. So make sure you don't lose one of your favorite stuff or important stuff. For example, you kept something very special in your bag. Suddenly it's lost because there's a hole under your bag. So always check it before you report. Hope you like it. Bye!